What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show how to reset your Antminer L3 Plus back to factory settings. So if you have overclocked your Antminer and you have problems within the 180-day warranty, but if you reset the miner back to factory settings, there's no way that they can tell that the miner has been overclocked. The miner can't be on for more than 10 minutes before doing this. After the miner reboots and it's hashing on your specific pool, you're going to take a paper clip or something of that size and put it into the reset hole on the front of the unit. The unit will turn red and make a beeping sound, and this will tell you that the unit has been restored back to factory settings. Once this is complete, go ahead and open up your miner on your browser and you will see the factory Antminer credentials in the worker and pool information. Go ahead and put your own pool information in here and allow it to mine for a few minutes, just so when you send it in it has your credentials, so they have no way of knowing whether or not. In the past, when this has happened to me, I've sent it back to Bitmain after doing the restore and they have sent me a replacement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.